What do you guys think? 4.0 Mustang. Alright, just kidding guys, so that is not a cammed 4.0 Mustang. Boy, would it sound good though. So it's just basically removing the line right here. Wheel stall. So what I did, I just had it in just enough that it was losing pressure. So I actually rigged something up that actually stuck out and kept it far enough away, so it gave that aggressive idle sound. But it's not good for your vehicle to do it too long, and definitely not drive your vehicle like that. So just wanted to hear what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good though. And once you put it back on, again, don't do it too long if you want to test it out. And don't just pull it completely off. You have to have it, you know, it's got to get some vacuum. It can't be completely pulled off or you'll just stall. And don't drive your vehicle like it. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up now normally. And it would help if I had my keys. So that's normal idle. Yeah, it's just showed me what my exhaust would sound like if I wasn't screwed over with the cam situation.